But based on single phase track based AC voltage controllers as follows. Question number 28. It is given that single phase triac based AC voltage controller what does it do? It feeds a series RL load. Okay, is given the question and input AC supply is how much? 230 volt 50 hertz. R is given as 10 ohms and L is given as 18.37 milliamp. So we are required to find the minimum triggering angle of triac to obtain controllable output voltage. Options given are, this is a 1 mark MCQ question again. Options given are A 15 degree, B 30 degree, C 45 degree and D 60 degree. So let's move to solution. Solution is pretty simple. An AC single phase track based voltage control something like this. There are two SCRs connected in anti-parallel. This is the load. This is the source. Known as 30 volt, 50 hertz. Okay. Load is R equal to 10 and L equal to 18.37 milliamps. Minimum, there is a formula for minimum triggering angle. It's pretty simple in this case. Okay. Minimum triggering angle formula is given by alpha equal to tan inverse omega L by R. So tan inverse 2 pi into 50 into 18.37 m by 10. So it will be around tan inverse 0.13837 pi. It will nearly be equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. If you calculate on the virtual calculator, this will come nearly equal to 1 by root 3. So it is nearly equal to 30 degree. Very simple. So this is the solution. इसका आंसर आ गया कितना? ऑप्शन बी 30 डिग्री. बहुत ही आसानी से. ठीक है. What is this angle? Let us look into theory. I mean the concept we are discussing. What is this alpha basically? Meaning alpha meaning. it is nothing but the impedance angle, right? Impedance angle is this one. So impedance angle is what? It is the angle by which the current waveform lags the voltage waveform. Now voltage will have a zero crossing at. Voltage will have a zero crossing at, like this, t equal to 0 to sine wave, and current will be lagging it somewhat, some like this it will start with the inductive effect of the load. Inductance is there. So this is the minimum angle, means alpha mean is this point. Okay. If alpha, when the triggering angle is before this point, say, then the pulse is of actually no use, because the current waveform will anyway start from here. So we are not controlling actually, because alpha will, the firing will have effect, triggering will have effect only if the pulses are applied beyond this point, so that we can control the current. I mean the switching, I mean the turning on, or the commutation of one thyristor and the switching on of the other thyristor, like that. That will happen only if alpha is applied beyond this point. If it is applied before this point, then this pulse will have no effect, because the circuit will automatically get turned on after this impedance angle, alpha mean equal to theta. So alpha mean equal to theta, this is the impedance angle. If it is turned on beyond theta, then only this pulse will have effect, because the current can control the switching, I mean the current in the circuit. If it is applied beyond this point, then we cannot control the current in the circuit. The current will automatically start at this impedance angle, when omega t equal to theta, right? If the pulse is applied before this point, before this time instant. But if alpha is applied at least at this or beyond this time instant, then we can control the current. Current waveform is this and voltage waveform is this. So the minimum value of alpha, the firing angle of the thyristors in the triac connecting anti-parallel single phase triac, should be alpha mean equal to theta, equal to the impedance angle of the load. So answer to this question is 30 degree, and I will explain the theory of the concept behind it also. Hope it helps. If you have not understood, you can ask in comments. So that's it for this question. Let's move on to the next question. This is also a simple 1 mark question, MCQ, based on very fundamental concept.